caretakers of the only home we have, our Earth. On this day, let's remember the planet doesn't need us, we need the planet. And every small action we take today decides the tomorrow we leave behind. A very good morning and a warm welcome to our respected Avinash ma'am, Principal ma'am, Sudeshna ma'am, Manveer ma'am, and all the teachers present here. Class assemblies have always been one of the favorite activity among the children, as they get chance to display their talent, enjoy and come together on the stage. With each passing year, the global climate is getting worse. This makes a prime duty to conserve nature and save Mother Earth. With this idea, the students of class 2A are going to present an assembly on Save Earth, Save Home. Now may I have Rushika and Arush on the stage, please?
Excited today. May I know why? It is our first assembly of this session. Yes. But why do we have assemblies? Assemblies are the important part of our school, where we celebrate many occasions, develop good values, and enhance our knowledge. It also gives us the opportunities to students to face the audience. It appreciates and honors for children for their work and achievements. That means school assemblies unifies whole school together. Yes, you are right. Coordinator and Whitman and Sudeshna ma'am, all educators and my fellow students who are assembling on Earth Day. I put in our annual will give for all kids we are poor.
He saved us.
किया, हमने बदले में क्या किया? तुझसे तेरा रूप है छीना, तुझसे तेरे रंग है छीने, पर अब मानो है जाग गया, हमने तुझसे ये वादा किया, अब ना जंगल काटेंगे, नदियों को साफ रखेंगे, लौटा देंगे तेरा रंग रूप, चाहे हो कितनी बारिशा तू।
What would Earth be without her thriving ocean, without her living creatures, without her clean air, without her international habitat? Every day is Earth Day. We use, recycle, and we be part of this solution. Everyone and everything is within your reach. Every day is Earth Day. Thank you.
My dear friends, do you know about tree art which play important role in conservation of our environment? The tree art stands for reuse and recycle. These eco-driven rules that guide us to take care of our planet and do things while you regular friends in this really strong food and what good is environment. Reuse. It involves using items again after initial use like old newspapers or magazines for happy gifts, and in this way we can reuse materials. It means minimize the amount of waste we create and
Use
only what is needed, like a few plastic bottles. Recycle. It means putting a product to a new use instead of throwing it away, like paper, plastic, and glass. So, treat and